Never stop advertising is the key to success.
Hola, this is Lady. Thank you for watching. This is a continuation of video number 1. Today I will share with you 10 extra tips for marketing your business. Tip number 11. Print a photo book. This is an example of my photo book. Every time a new potential client comes to visit my home, I will show the family my photo book. And now I will help you to create yours. Imagine that you are putting together a family photo book. Now think about doing the same thing, but this time for your daycare families. Choose a logo or your favorite picture for the front of your book. As you can see, I do celebrate many holidays, and this one is one example on how we do a celebration here. This picture was taken in March 2019 for St. Patrick's Day. And the next picture shows the power of play. And this keyword helps me to explain the parent the importance of play in early childhood. And also through this picture, I can talk more about the way how I teach. With pictures, you can also talk about the benefits of your program. And one of my benefits is I get the kids ready for kinder. You can also show all activities you do when you go outside. Because of the weather, sometimes I'm not able to show my outdoor play, or because it's just way too messy after a long day. Parents love to see pictures, believe me. And here with this picture, what I can explain is how happy the kids are, how busy they are when we go outside. Print t-shirt for your next field trip and take your children out wearing them. Wearing a t-shirt with your kids, it really will attract attention. Feel free to add a lot of information if you like, or you can make it just a simple shirt. I'm giving you ideas of mine I have done for myself. Here's some ideas for you to do it. And this is a place where I got, it's called Alphabet U. And I will post the information here so you can get them. They are about $6. Giving back to the community is a good way to promote your business and get the word out about your service. And on top, you can also give your time or money, and this donation will apply as a charity deduction on your income tax. It's just so beautiful to give, and the feeling that you get, it's amazing. I have done many times, and today I have great partnership in my city. Another way to give back to the community is find a non-profit organization. And if you don't want to give money, you can give time. For example, here there is a great resource center, and what you can do is you can go one day of the month to serve people, and they really need the help. And this is a good way to give back. Decorate your house every season if you could, especially during Halloween. Go wild, and also Christmas. If you don't like to celebrate Halloween and Christmas, think about fall and winter. Make sure your house will always stand out the most from all your neighbors. You want to make sure that everybody wants to know who lives in the house. Buy all these decorations after the celebration. They are always on clearance after Christmas or after Halloween. Tip number 15. Make a party and invite your neighbors. If you just open your daycare, you should always have an open house. Invite everybody. Always have a good relationship with your neighbors. It's very important. So make sure your neighbors know that you have a daycare. Be always friendly and nice with them. If you have your daughter's birthday, please invite your neighbors. That is a good time for you to build a relationship with them. Another tip that I wanted to share with you, get the book Family Childcare Marketing Guide by Tom Copeland. Second edition is about 203 pages. It has a lot of information. And if you are a daycare provider or you want to be a daycare provider, you must have this book. It will give you a lot of more tips, ideas on how to market your business. I will post the information here where I got it. So don't forget to get this book. Meet another daycare provider. Find a local provider. somebody who lives in the same city than you. If you don't know how to find one, something that I recommend is just make a call. Go check in the list of daycares and make a call and be honest and ask for help. Let this provider know that you need help. I can assure you somebody's gonna help. I remember when I started this business, I didn't have no idea how to do it. I always had questions. I was very lucky to find great friends, and until today I have the same one. Having a daycare provider as a friend is a huge help because nobody will understand you more than one of us. We speak in the same language. We know exactly what we are going through. If there is a problem, we can talk to our husbands, we can talk to our best friend. They won't have no idea what we are going through. But if you go and talk about a problem with another daycare provider, she's gonna be able to understand right away what you're going through. Every provider has the same issue, so we get it. For example, how many providers have the same issue? I did. There are many providers that are gonna be willing to help you. Just trust, make the call, ask for help, and be honest. Contact your childcare resort and referral, and often update your spot. Many of the childcare resources, they have groups for daycare providers, so that can be a good way for you to meet other providers like you. In this business, word of mouth is the key. Number 20, make sure your current clients are happy. I know you are exhausted, I know you are tired, but remember, a smile is so important every single time you open the door. Say hello, say in a way that they are going to be able to feel welcome. This is the end of this video. There are 20 tips for you. Choose 3 of them and practice them. And don't forget to make a comment. If you are ever in California, if you are here, I live in the city of Palmdale, email me and we can set up an appointment so I can show you my place. You can also send me questions via Instagram and I will put the information here for you to contact me if you have any questions. I'm also part of a group called the AB Daycare Support, and I wanted to say a big thank you to all those daycare providers who helped me. There are many of them and I'm so lucky to have you as my friend. Subscribe. Hasta pronto.